In this video, we are going to share our complete review of Swyft Filings. We're going to cover what Swyft Filings is, what services they provide, summary and thoughts on Swyft Filings, as well as some pros and cons of using the platform. And we'll also share why someone would want to use Swyft Filings over another business formation platform. Okay, so first let's discuss what Swyft Filings is. Swyft Filings is a business formation platform. Swyft Filings will actually help you set up your business entity. And the ones that they can actually help you set up are an LLC, an S Corp, a C Corp, and a nonprofit. They also can help you set up a DBA or doing business as name. So Swyft Filings was actually created by a lawyer for small businesses. So they do have a little bit of a legal component to their services, which is really nice. And some other business formation platforms online only offer one or two services, so it's nice that they have four included. Okay, so now that we know what Swyft Filings is, let's talk about some of the services they provide. Okay, so we'll leave that link down below in the description. You can go ahead and click on that and follow along with me here if you like. Okay, so here are the four different entity types that they have. The most popular is LLC, and then there's S Corp, C Corp, and nonprofit as well. So for LLCs, this is going to be good for small businesses who want to reduce their liability. S Corps are going to help keep your tax burden low while growing. C Corps are more for big businesses and stock selling, and they issue shares. And then nonprofits are charitable companies that need tax exemption. Okay, now that we've covered the four types of business entities that they will help you form, let's talk a little bit about their different packages here. So their basic package here starts at $0 plus state filing fees, and it's a 10-day filing and standard shipping. So what's included here are the comprehensive name check, the preparation of articles of incorporation, and then they're going to file your document with the Secretary of State, and then they'll also have lifetime customer support by phone and email. Now the standard package here is $199 plus state filing fees. This will be a 5-day express filing and expedited shipping, and they're also going to get your ID required to file taxes, which is your EIN. They'll do some custom corporate bylaws, custom banking resolution, custom organizational minutes, as well as instant electronic delivery of state documents upon formation. So this standard option is a little bit more comprehensive than basic, and it's going to get your EIN number, so we really recommend you use this, as well as you get some expedited shipping there too. Now the premium option includes all of those, except it also has a faster processing speed. It has access to 250 plus customizable legal and business documents. It has a free year domain subscription for Squarespace, so if you want to create a website, this is going to be a great option. And it's also going to include expedited FedEx shipping and tracking. A couple things that come along with this as well is the 24/7 online access dashboard, as well as a free statement of the incorporator to open a business bank account. And you'll also get a free trial to Compliance Guard. And then you'll also have a personalized founder's kit to help stay compliant. Okay, so let's briefly go through the process here. We're going to show you how to set up an LLC and how easy it is to do. We're going to do this here in under 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and select our state here. I live in California, so I will select California and then click Start My LLC. Once you've done that and you've selected those two here in the top, it'll give you the option to choose your package. Now, the most popular here is the standard option because it's going to have your EIN number, which you're going to need to open a business bank account and a couple of other things. You also get expedited filing with this option, so let's just go with the standard option for now. Now that you've finished with that, go ahead and enter the name of your business and then click continue. And it looks like my name should be available, so let's go ahead and click continue. Now this is the free name search that is included with Swyft Filing, so it just checked California to make sure that my business name was available. Let's go ahead and enter the primary contact information here, as well as my email address and phone number. And then you can either consent to SMS or not. Once you're finished with that, go ahead and click continue. Then you will go ahead and select the industry that you're in. Once you're finished with that, click continue. And then they're going to ask you what your intent is on having employees. I'm going to say I already have employees, but you can choose what's best for you. Once you're finished with that, go ahead and click continue. So Swyft Filings also offers a registered agent service here for $199. You can go ahead and choose that if you like. There's other platforms out there like Zen Business and Northwest Registered Agent that also provide the same service. So I'm going to go ahead and just click continue with Swyft Filings here. And then you can add on this business license and compliance package if you like. This will be an extra $99 and it's going to save you time, avoid headaches, and focus on what you love. That's what they say here, so that they can make sure that you're compliant in every area and you don't have to do any of the work. We really recommend for people that are starting their LLC for the first time and they're beginners, they use something like this to make sure that you're compliant with all the business regulation, licensing, and permits that you might need. So I'm just going to go ahead and click continue here. Then it's going to give you the option to set up a business bank account with them. We actually have a couple of our favorite business bank accounts that we'll leave a link down below in the description if you want to check those out. Let's just say no thanks for now. Now they're going to give you an option for free tax consultation. Let's just go ahead and skip this for now. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and review your order here and then continue to checkout. So you'll see for that $199, we get that standard package with that $70 filing fee that goes to the state. Whether you're filing through the state website or on a platform like Swyft Filings, you're going to have to pay that state filing fee of $70. And it's going to vary from state to state. And then we didn't choose the registered agent here or the annual compliance guard, which you can go ahead and add those if you like, but we did choose that business license and compliance package for $99. So our total here comes to $368. So let's go ahead and continue to checkout. And you can go ahead and enter your credit card information here. And once you've finished entering your credit card information, go ahead and press pay and agree. And just like that, in less than 5 minutes, you can have your LLC set up with Swyft Filings. It's a super easy and streamlined process. Okay, so before we end the video here, let's talk about some of the pros and cons and what our overall view of the platform is. So the first pro about Swyft Filings is the customization option with the packages. So with basic starting at $0 and that premium starting at $299, there's really options for everyone here. And for the services that Swyft Filings is offering, these are all very competitively priced packages for getting your LLC up and started in less than 5 minutes. As you saw, that process is super easy, super streamlined, and there aren't many things that you can mess up here. They make it very, very simple for you. They also have really fast filing times. That premium option gives you a same-day filing, which is very nice if you're in a crunch. Another really great thing about Swyft Filings is their customer service. They have an email and phone line that you can always reach out to, and they're really responsive. Okay, now to some of the cons, and there really aren't many. They really only offer those 4 services and the DBA, doing business as. So if you need to have something else like a limited partnership, you're going to have to go elsewhere. That's really one of the only cons we see with Swyft Filings. It's a really great platform. They have a great Trustpilot review score. There's so many good things to say about it. We really like Swyft Filings because it's super easy to use, very affordable, and you can get your LLC set up in less than 5 minutes. So that's all we have for you for our Swyft Filings review. Now, just a disclaimer here, this is not tax advice, so please seek a professional to see what is right for your specific situation. Also, if you use our link to Swyft Filings down below in the description, we will get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep videos like this on the channel free, so thank you so much in advance. This channel is dedicated to providing entrepreneurs and business owners like you with free videos and tutorials like this one. So if you enjoyed this video and you got some value out of it, please leave us a like and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching. We're wishing you the best on your entrepreneurship journey, and we will see you in the next one.